Welcome back to Instables. It looks like one of my favorite companies that I have been watching since LCA, again, that was the SPAC before GNOG became GNOG, is going to be acquired by DKNG, and we could have a continuation and major breakout. So I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue and have another major breakout that we're looking for. Again, we did alert this one really early in the morning, and we have been continuing since then. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart with you guys here on GNOG and exactly what has to happen for us to continue, but exactly which resistances we do want to break above to have this continuation is, again, we did have a major spike. Again, before we get started, we did mention this one at 5:15 a.m. in the Instables room. So if any of you guys want to see our breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day, but we've been mentioning mid-cap stocks as well. We mentioned AMC today, we mentioned mRNA, we mentioned multiple plays throughout the day that are not penny stocks sometimes, as penny stocks sometimes can be lagging. And if there's no volume throughout the day, then we like to mention some mid-cap stocks. But as you guys can see here, we have to mention the very important ones like GNOG merging with DKNG. There's a lot of momentum that we could see coming up in this stock, and we have a lot of warnings for a possible major breakout. We're going to make sure we can break above a specific resistance here. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute, you guys can see we have been breaking out since that 5:15 alert that we did have, and we're going to see if we can continue. Again, we are consolidating here on the 20 MA, no surprise. Now we're going to back up to the 4 hours so you guys can see exactly why we got rejected exactly at this point. So as you guys can see here, previously we had this spike, we actually got rejected. We could not hold above this 1846 mark that we did have previously, and we had a rejection exactly at this point with the body of the candle not breaking above it, and we had the same thing happen today. We could not break the body of the candle above this 1846 mark. So going to this week or next week or whenever this stock decides to make a move up or down, we're going to be setting an alert right above this 1846 mark. See if we can get the body of the candle to break above this 1850 mark. Again, 1846 is very key, but we want to break the body of the candle above this. And I also want to go over one specific resistance that we do need to break above to have this continuation. We need to break above $20. As you guys can see here, at $20.37, we have the VPVR here showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. As you guys can see, exactly at 1846 is when we got rejected, and that's exactly when our volume profile shows us this resistance. And as you guys can see, our very next resistance to break above and have that continuation, as you guys can see here, $20.37 is very key for us to break above to have that continuation. Again, I do like that we're at 1846, but I would be setting my alert right exactly at $20 to see if this can break above it with volume. As you guys can see here, we do have volume. And as you guys can see on the 15-minute, we're going to back up here so you guys can see exactly which volume we're trying to break above to have this continuation. And as you guys can see, we had a major volume spike and we did consolidate throughout the day, showing us a lot of buy volume and sell volume, looking to see if we can continue, looking to see if we can get a major volume spike. So we could set a volume alert right above our previous volume point. As you guys can see, you come over to the volume on the top left here and you click these 3 dots. You guys can click add alert. You click add alert and then you put it right above our previous volume point so we can have that alert, so that way if it does break out, we won't miss out on this one. And also here on the MACD, as you guys can see, we do have a lot of sell pressure coming in, but again, this is no surprise as we had a major spike today and we did have a lot of consolidation coming into today. So going into the next week and possibly our next move up or down, we're going to be looking to see if we can get some buy pressure here. So I would be setting an alert here on the MACD right above our buy pressure point, so that way if we get any buy pressure in this stock, then we will be alerted as soon as possible. So again, GNOG definitely on the watch, but again, on the 4 hour, we're going to make sure we can break above that $20 mark to have this continuation with the body of the candle. Again, $20.37, very key. So again, GNOG had a major breakout today and it was a nice run, but however, again, we did consolidate throughout the day. And a lot of people wondering if we're going to possibly continue to sell off or break out. In my opinion, at this point, I would be just setting an alert right above that $20 mark. And if it does break above it with volume, then we will have an easy intraday, in my opinion, at that point. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. But again, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys as always, every single day. I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys are the best. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.